fish on, guys. It could be the fish that we are after. Oh, alright guys, so what's going on, and welcome back again to another fishing adventure. As you can see now, I'm in the river Perth, and yeah, we are going to go fishing for these flats, low tide, but I reckon on those weeds there are some flatheads or some brims. So yeah, we are walking in the knee deep water. We're going to cast over there and see if we can get some flatheads. Whew. Look at that. What a very stunning view, guys. Hopefully we can catch a fish, and yeah, it's going to be awesome. Stay tuned. Yeah, as of the moment we are going to try, because I still got this good lure of mine, but I still haven't caught a fish using this. So hopefully a tailor or like that, a mallet will be okay. And yeah, flathead will be okay too. So this is just a stick bait that's like a floating, so it doesn't sink. So you're just gonna have to like try the walk the dog thing, and yep, hopefully we can snag a fish. I'm really keen of catching this fish, guys, the flathead or some tailor using this lure. So yep, set up just 7-foot rod and 6 pounds of line, 3000 Shimano band food. That's a good cast. Like that. So we are just going to flick, slowly flick, like that. So when you flick it, it will go left and right. And yeah, hopefully we can get a good fish. There you go. Beautiful casting distance there, guys. Beautiful. So as you retrieve it, it creates that a little bit of a splash to attract fish, and then just gonna have to twitch. Right there. Oh, what was that? See the splash there? Oh, it missed my lure. Again, I'm pretty sure it's about to take my lure, but it missed. Oh, mate, it could be a tailor. Woo! Come on, mate, go back. There you go, that's a good distance. Yes, fish on, guys. It could be the fish that we are after. Oh, it's a tailor. Oh yes, see, finally that, oh, far up, finally that lure got a fish, caught a fish. Oh mate, this is a good tailor. Alright guys, so we are just going to measure the fish. Yeah, it's a 32. It's a pretty good fish. It's legal size. It's just that I'm about to release this fish, but it didn't survive, so we're just gonna have to take it home. Beautiful 32 centimeter of a tailor. Nice. Alright, so we are going to, yeah, again cast. Woo! It worked this time, and the wind is, see, goes, I don't know if there's some mallets. Oh my, just chasing me everywhere. Nice mallets. Okay, so the wind is from the back, so we have a bit of a push to help cast our lure, you know, to travel a bit more or a bit further. Yeah, the good thing about floating lures, guys, is you don't really need to worry about getting snagged, because yeah, they're just on top of the water surface. Yes, something took it. Gosh, yes. Oh, this could be a flathead. This could be a flathead. Oh, a fish took it, guys. Oh, yes, could be a flathead because the take. Oh, look at that. Nice one. Is it a flathead? What's this one? Oh, a whiting. A whiting, is it? Oh no, a grunter. It's a big grunter. Look at that fish. Oh, really? Seriously? Oh, it's a big grunter, guys. At first I thought it was a brim. Oh, well, that was a good take as well. Well, eh. Another day. There you go. Here, buddy. This lure, guys, the way it works is, I've noticed that when you flick it a bit hard like that, it creates a bit of a splash. So that splash, you know, draws attention from the fish, and that bit of a rattle. So yeah, we keep on doing that so we can attract fish. It's really nice. Well, occasionally that, you know, front treble is like hooking up this little line. Just gonna pay attention to that. There you go. Oh, that's far. Oh. Oh, there's a splash again. Perfect. So where I'm casting at the moment, guys, is like there is this area here is very shallow, and then there are weeds in there, and then there's like a drop off, like it went a bit deep. So this area here becomes deep, it drops off like that. So that's where I'm casting our lure. It looks like a real bait fish, swims like a real bait fish. You might need to, it's just that you need to make it swim like it's a real one. So it looks like a real bait fish, but the only thing is try to find a way how to make it swim like a real one. So do a combination of retrieves, twitch like that. So yeah, like that. Then pause, because some fish ambushes or takes the lure or the bait fish when it's in a pause position. So yeah, keep on doing that. If there's a fish in there, surely they will take the lure. And also this lure is very good, guys, because the shape of it. So there's a rattle in here. There are some like weights or metal bolts inside. Now when you cast it, it goes like that, and the bolt goes at the back of this lure, and look at the shape of that one. It goes like that, flies like that. It's like aerodynamically, you know, pointing, into like where you want to aim it or where you cast your fishing rod. Like that. It flies like an airplane. Oh, not bad. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and we are definitely gonna go back in this spot here because there is fish here. And yeah, it's just that the water is really a bit low, but most of the time, especially morning and late in the afternoon, it will, you know, rise up, or the water will be a bit higher. But yeah, today it's not happening. So yeah, we're gonna go back there. Thanks for watching, and you know, I'm really surprised with the result of that lure. It's like really a very good lure for this flats or for this shallow water, because you never get snagged, you will never lose your lure. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe if you haven't, and see you again in the next videos. Wherever you are guys, stay safe and keep fishing. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.